These are the top 5 surviving species from ancient times still found on our planet. And the last one, you wouldn't believe how long they've lived in this world. But first, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel or comment heart if this baby tiger is cute. Number 1. Tuatara. Around 200 million years. Number 2. Crocodile. Also around 200 million years ago. Number 3. Coelacanth. Around 400 million years ago. Number 4. Horseshoe crab. Around 450 million years ago. And lastly, number 5. Nautilus. Around 500 million years ago.